How to fix NBC Bank's login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your National Bank of Canada if you are not being able to log in. So in this video, we'll go through some of the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost thing you gotta make sure is you have a stable internet connection, as if you do not have a stable internet connection, your bank app will not work, causing your login problem. So make sure you either have a good Wi-Fi or a good mobile data, turn off airplane mode and restart your router if needed. Now the second thing you gotta make sure is you are entering the correct client card or username and their password, as these credentials are case sensitive and whatnot. Make sure you are entering the correct one. Now if you even have the slightest of doubts, you can always reset them by tapping the option forgot username or forgot password, and once you've reset it, that way you will be confirmed that this is actually the correct password. So enter the new credentials which you know is correct and try to log into your account. Now if this doesn't work, what you can do is basically try to see if your app needs an update, as sometimes if your app is not updated to the latest version, some of the newer features and fixes will not work, which may be the reason for your login problem. So make sure you update the app to the latest version. Now once you've done all of these, your problem should mostly be fixed. But if your problem is still there, simply call them on this number and talk to them about your problem, and they will be able to help you from there. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.